Today we're making not one, but two delicious recipes. That's right, get ready for double the fun and double the yummy. Let's jump into our first recipe. Today we are making a yummy chocolate mug cake. For this we need 4 spoons of flour, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of oil, and a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Now mix all ingredients in a mug. Then mix choco chips if you have. Then put the mug in microwave, and we set it for 1 to 2 minutes. And make sure to wear your oven gloves. Be careful because it is very hot. Enjoy a tasty chocolate mug.
We are making colorful rainbow sandwich.
First, take 2 slices of bread. Now spread a thin layer of butter or cream cheese. Time to make our rainbow! Start with red strawberry jam. Next, add orange jam. Then spread yellow pineapple jam. Add green apple jam for the green stripe.
Add blueberry jam for blue. Finally, spread purple grape jam.
Sandwich is ready. What is your favorite color? Tell us in the comments.
Bye!